Whatever your reason is to change photos from HEIC to JPG on your Mac, we have the quickest solutions here. First, use Preview. Preview is the image tool built into macOS, so don't overlook this free app. However, you won't be able to compress the images with this tool. Second, use Photos. Photos app is also a built-in program on macOS to view or manage photos. Its export feature lets Mac users export HEIC images as JPG, PNG, and TIFF. However, you may get duplicate photos on Mac because you have to import the images to Photos library. Third, Automator. It offers a lot of actions to automate a batch task, including convert, create, crop, export, flip, print, scale, rotate photos. Fourth, use Quick Actions. By right-clicking the image's Quick Actions menu will open. Mac users can use this tool to rotate file, create PDF, convert image, remove background. Fifth, XN Convert. We can use this open-source batch image processor to convert and edit multiple images at one time. However, the output JPG files may be even larger than the original HEIC images. Sixth, use Batch Photo app. It supports converting more than 100 image formats, including raster images, vector images, RAW images, even uncommon images, and it has advanced editing features. Seventh, use Pixelian Image Converter. It can quickly convert hundreds of HEIC photos to JPG format on our Mac. Lastly, if you have installed Photoshop, its image processor enables us to batch convert HEIC to JPG on Mac as well. And it is much easier than you expect.